Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're here at Champion Porsche here in Pompano Beach, Florida, and we're about to take delivery of my new 2025 Cayman GT4 RS. So we're here with Manthey Mueller, our Porsche ambassador. So getting ready to do our paperwork and pay for the car, and then we'll go take a look at it, and then we're going to do, fortunately, Champion has offered us their media room in order to do an unwrapping of the vehicle. So we'll do the paperwork here first, and then we'll travel over, take a look at the car, and then from that point, roll it over to the media room and begin the process of doing the unwrapping and everything for you guys on the channel. So stay tuned.
Oh, good. And you do have roadside assistance.
Yes, very good.
Yes, perfect. Yeah. There is your original window sticker.
Very good.
And you build.
Excellent. This will make number 4 on the Sepia Brown charts, 100 charts. So it'll be pretty exciting.
Adam's going to tell me on Monday when I can put the plate on, and then we'll figure out everything else.
Okay, yeah, that's very good, yeah. And then we'll need to reach out to JR in regards to transport. Hey everybody, time to do a little unwrapping for our brand new 718 Cayman GT4 RS. And let me first give some gratitude and thanks to Champion Porsche for allowing us to come into their media room. So this is where Champion Porsche will actually do a lot of their social media posting. Their lead content creator is Matt, who is with us today. Hey Matt, and Adam also. Hey Adam. There's the Manthey Matt. And then with us today certainly is Ro, part of our team, Shara, and Enrique. And I think you probably remember Enrique. This is number 4 for Enrique on unwrapping. So we're going to get to the process of showing what she looks like when she's not wrapped. So here we go. Very exciting, very exciting. That makes number 4.
What do you think? How are you feeling?
Oh, well, kind of excited. I mean, kind of gone through this before, but this is, certainly now having the Cayman GT4 RS and the Spider RS together, I think would be kind of a unique package. I'm going to maybe take a guess and assume that there ain't probably too many people in the world that have got a 2024 Sepia Brown Spider RS and a 2025 Sepia Brown Cayman GT4 RS. So I'm really looking forward to showing both cars side by side. We're also right now, technically what's going to happen is the car's going to stay here for a couple of days. They're going to complete the PDI, the pre-delivery inspection. Then from that point, it'll come back up to Jupiter here in Florida. It'll go to K2 Motor Cars, and we're going to do the decontamination, the cleaning, and a polish. And then from that point, hopefully I'll be able to get a couple miles on her next weekend, and then back down to Champion in order to install the Manthey Performance Racing Kit for the vehicle. And then from that point, we probably will do another photo shoot down here, as long as Champion will allow us to bring the Spider RS down here with the Cayman and do a photo shoot of the two RSs together. So yeah, pretty exciting for me. It's been 9 months. I have waited 9 months because technically of the paint to sample. We also ran into a little bit of an issue. We had the allocation technically the 1st of January, but we got an email back from Porsche stating that it's kind of first come, first served basis. Right now, you'd have to wait in line in order for us to produce the paint to sample in the Sepia Brown. So with Manford, my Porsche ambassador, the sales rep, he had suggested to Porsche instead of trying to push it through, why don't we just wait until the June production? So technically that's why it took almost 9 months in order to take delivery, because we waited until that window would allow Porsche to take that paint to sample into production without any issues. So it's been a little bit of a while since we've been waiting for the car, but certainly delighted and tickled pink that she's here now. So going to go through a little process, and then once she gets back up to Jupiter after the Manthey kit, then back to K2 for PPF, ceramic coating, and then from that point, hurricane permitting. Of course, we are here in South Florida in hurricane season, so we're going to keep our fingers crossed that I'll be able to start breaking in and getting some miles on the Cayman GT4 RS. So everybody please stay tuned, and we'll be back at you soon. Hey everybody, we're here at K2 Motor Cars. We're getting ready to unload the 2025 Cayman GT4 RS in Sepia Brown, obviously, my favorite color. So we're going to get some photos of her coming off the trailer, and then K2 is going to do a decontamination and a light detail, and hopefully should have her back in a couple of days for our first test drive, hopefully this weekend. So stay tuned.
Looking like you're scared of the camera, man. You all right?
I'm not afraid. I'm getting more comfortable in front of the camera. You
That's
know,
what I'm talking about.
There's a learning process. I tend to prefer to be on the other side of the camera as opposed to in front of the camera. But between you and Loxley, you guys are in my face all the time, so I don't have much of an option. But
Well, I'm proud of you. You've come a long way with talking to the camera,
thank
so.
you. Thank you.